Today I will show you how to transform a simple table mat into stunning wall decor. You will need a table mat, thick rope, jute or cotton works best, some cardboard, jute fabric, scissors, hot glue gun, and some decorative elements like artificial flowers. My name is Aija and welcome to my channel. First, let's make a small house out of cardboard. This cardboard is very thick. You can use scissors or a knife to cut it. Use whatever is most convenient for you. Once this is done, cover one side with white glue. This glue is great because it dries invisible. Place this side on jute fabric and cut it out, leaving the longer edges. We will need to hide these edges on the other side using a glue gun. So we glue the fabric to the other side. You can use scissors or a knife to make it easier because the glue is very hot. Be very careful when working with it. Now let's decorate our house. Add a roof. You can use different pieces of wood or use the same cardboard. Use your imagination. Now you can add windows or, like me, draw a little heart on it. I use white acrylic paint. Done! Let's put the house aside to dry. Now we can focus on our table mat. I decided to use cotton rope because it is white. Jute rope is softer, but something light would be more suitable for this project. And now let's create the word home. We glue the rope in sections with the glue gun. We cannot rush here, so the rope doesn't move, and our decor comes out beautiful. If you want to hang this decoration on your front door, you can create another word. For example, welcome. There are so many possibilities. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. Final touch. And ready! Now we have to put everything together. Let's glue our house. And now everything is in your hands. Use your creativity. Artificial flowers, dried flowers, pieces of wood, shells, or many other different things can be used here. Whether you're looking to add a boho touch to your living room or make a custom gift, this project is perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Once everything is securely glued, add a hook or string to the top of your wall decor and hang it on your wall. Now our wall decor is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel inspired for your home decor crafts. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos. Bye!